In today's video, I demonstrate the dirty pour technique. One of the easiest techniques to start with if you are a new fluid artist or pouring artist. Just pour some paint and let gravity do the rest. Hi everyone, my name is Rhonda Robson and welcome to today's fluid art video. Alright, we're going to be doing this one right up here, and it was a Rekka ring pour using the same colors as we've been using throughout the series. And so thank you so much for joining me. Let's get you down on the canvas. And if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing and to click that notification bell. And then of course, let me know down below how you're liking this series of the same colors, but using different techniques. All right, bye for now. Talk to you soon. Let's get you down on the canvas. Bye. Okay, last one. I think I'm going to do Rekka ring pour. All right, here we go. All right, 4's done. So stay tuned, because not only can you see the colors that I've mixed, but you can also see how I layered the cups. All right, bye for now. Payne's Gray. No, that's not Payne's Gray. This is Payne's Gray. This is a combination of a bright blue and metallic black to make it like this navy, really super dark blue. So I have that. And we have a teal color, and I'll put all of the actual colors. Actually, I'll grab them here. So that is this basic aqua. I better put my glasses on or I'm not gonna be able to see the actual colors. Yeah, it's bright aqua. Then this one right here is metallic blue. And that's this one right here. Let's see, where did it go? It's metallic blue right here. And then this one right here is cobalt blue metallic. And it's making a mound. So it's not thick, but it's not thin. And that cobalt blue is this right there. Then this one right here is lake blue. And again, making the mound. Then this one right here is, oh, so the one that I said the metallic blue is not, it's this turquoise green. That's that one. This is the metallic blue. So I was incorrect on that one. Then we've got gold, and that's the Acrylic Master's Touch gold. This is Payne's Gray, and it's also Master Touch. This one's right here is Artist Loft Silver. That one's right here. And then this one right here was a metallic, it's called Satin Finish. Let's see, metallic paints, but it's a pewter, so it's a darker silver. And I went ahead, since I hardly had any left, I just went ahead and just put it inside of that. And then this right here is a mixture of the liquid acrylic white, titanium white, but I put in there this opal glitter medium gel, so that's in there. And then I did put this shift in this one here too. So this basic green, I put this shift color. It's kind of cool. It makes like that. So those are the colors that I've chosen today. And we'll get started here in just a few minutes. I'm gonna pack this stuff up really fast and get going. So what I'm doing here is I'm actually going to be layering all 4 cups of my first 4 in the series, and I'm layering them in different ways. So the first one, I start with the silver and I layer all the way down to the dark silver, which is a pewter, and then I go backwards, and then I do it in reverse again with a 3rd cup, and then reverse again with the 4th cup. So again, I'm layering all 4 of the cups for the first 4 in the series using the 4 different techniques of flip cup, wreck a ring pour, and a dirty pour.
Thanks for watching, and if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so that way you can get notified when I have a new video up. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.